Welcome to another video. I'm always telling you how great this bike sounds, even with the standard exhaust. So today I'm going for a ride and I'm going to take you along with me, but with a microphone here so you can hear the exhaust note properly rather than from inside my helmet. So let's get on the bike and go for a ride. Right then, let's do this. I suppose we should start at the beginning and actually do a cold starter. Are you a gloves over the top kind of guy or a gloves underneath the jacket kind of guy? Now the bike's warmed up a bit. So yeah, I do think that this exhaust sounds good. It sounds very good as standard. You can also hear the induction noise, which should be a little bit louder now I have the DNA filter in there, but I can't say I've noticed it. Although I do think this exhaust sounds fantastic, I have ordered the Scorpion half system. I have had word from MotoGP that mine is one of the first that will ship, but it's going to be a couple of weeks yet. I've not had a confirmed delivery date yet, but when we do, we will be doing a video, obviously changing that over, how to take the original one off, how to fit the new one, the difference in weight, and we will do a sound comparison on the day as well between the original and the Scorpion. But for today, it is a nice, bright, sunny, albeit very cold day. So I'm wrapped up warm and we are just out enjoying this kind of the first of the winter sunshine and enjoying the sound of this exhaust as standard. Traction control light was flashing then. It must be very slippery to be losing traction at that kind of speeds and revs. I did think that it was maybe the rev limiter, but I wasn't quite at 9,000 then when it lost power through the traction control light on. See there by the road, the grit has been out and thrown loads of grit and salt onto the roads. I suppose it will stop it freezing, but we've got to watch out for traction and corrosion. Just 3 degrees today. I'll work out what that is for those across the pond. Well, there you go. That's what this bike sounds like at various different revs, setting off, slowing down, ride-bys, things like that. So I hope you think it sounds as good as I do. Thanks very much for coming along on that short ride out up the coastal road and up onto Birkrigg, where you've just seen a small snippet of the stone circle up here. If you're interested in hearing what the Scorpion exhaust sounds like when we get that fitted, please consider giving us a like and subscribe, and keep coming back for more videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.